Welcome back to my channel. Noticing silver strands too soon? Science proves early graying isn't just age, it's stress, nutrition, and tiny pigment cells you can actually protect. Here's how to slow, even partly reverse, premature gray hair, and a powerful herbal mask to naturally darken strands, no chemicals, no dye. Why hair turns gray? Hair color comes from melanocytes, cells that create melanin. Over time, oxidative stress and a natural buildup of hydrogen peroxide bleach that pigment. Low levels of vitamin B12, folate, copper, and iron, plus chronic stress, speed up the process. A 2023 Columbia University study even showed that reducing stress allowed some hairs to regain pigment. Nutrition that protects pigment. Vitamin B12 and folate. Lentils, chickpeas, eggs, dairy, leafy greens. Copper. Sesame seeds, mushrooms, cashews. Iron and zinc. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, beans. Antioxidants. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea to fight free radicals. Herbs with proven benefits. Amla, Indian gooseberry, exceptional vitamin C, helps shield follicles from oxidative damage. Bhringraj, called the king of hair, for boosting scalp circulation and melanin activity. Curry leaves, packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that may help retain natural color. Black sesame seeds, rich in copper and iron, animal studies link them to delayed graying. Magic black hair oil, warm 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup sesame seeds oil, add 2 tablespoons crushed curry leaves and 1 tablespoon amla powder and 1 tablespoon Bhringraj powder, simmer 5 minutes, cool and strain. Massage scalp twice a week. Overnight herbal color mask, ready for a rich, chemical-free tint that nourishes while it darkens? Here's the science-powered recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup henna powder, 2 tablespoons amla powder, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed powder, 1 teaspoon Bhringraj powder, 1 teaspoon curry leaf powder. Strong black tea, cooled, enough to form a paste, juice of 1/2 lemon. 1 teaspoon instant coffee. Method: brew strong black tea and let it cool. In a glass or ceramic bowl, combine all dry powders. Slowly add the black tea to create a smooth, thick paste. Mix in the lemon juice and coffee. Cover and let it rest overnight, this releases the natural dye. Next day, apply from roots to ends on clean hair. Leave on for 4 to 5 hours, then rinse with plain water, skip shampoo for 24 hours. Why it works. Henna plus coffee give a warm brown-red hue. Amla, fenugreek, Bhringraj, curry leaves feed follicles with vitamin C, iron, and plant compounds that support pigment cells. Black tea deepens the color while delivering antioxidants. Results vary. This mask offers a semi-permanent tint and powerful nutrients. Repeat every 3 to 4 weeks for richer color. Lifestyle science. Stress control. The Columbia study showed pigment returned when stress dropped. Quit smoking. Smokers are 3 times more likely to gray early. Sun and heat protection. UV light and hot tools accelerate pigment loss. Gray hair isn't destiny. Feed your melanocytes, lower your stress, and let nature color your strands. Start today, your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching.